Hello everyone, my name is Võ Thị Như Mai. I'm a poet from Australia. I'm Vietnamese. And today I'm going to have a speech about bullying online for the Poets Workshop. Thank you for inviting me. Now, when poets and writers face online bullying, how to keep dignity and protect creative space. In the digital age, poets and writers live in two worlds. One is the quiet world of the page, and the other is the busy world of social media, forums, and online publishing. This space gives us many chances to connect, but also brings a painful reality: online bullying. When writers are attacked, mocked, or tagged, they are easily hurt. Writers are sensitive to words and emotions. Yet instead of reaching with the anger or pain, we can choose calm, humane, and self-protective responses. What is online bullying anyway? Online bullying is the repeated use of digital tools to hurt, shame, or threaten someone. It can happen through social media, messages, public comments, or fake accounts. The common forms include mocking a writer's work to lower their dignity, spreading false stories, sending cruel messages, and group attacks to isolate one person. It's also, if they want to attack you, they will dig it out a lot of your fault. For writers, the attack is not only personal, it also targets their child of the soul, their work. Now, why are poets and writers easily targeted? The writers, they often share personal feelings and opinions, discuss social and cultural issues, and appear publicly as voices of the community. Their openness can be misunderstood or misused to create conflict. But this openness is also a sign of generous and open heart. How should we respond? Stay calm and do not react quickly. Angry words make the situation worse. Sometimes silence is the strongest answer. Ask yourself, will my reply bring dialogue or feed negativity? Know the difference between criticism and attack. Not every disagreement is bullying. Honest criticism helps writers grow. Personal insults and lies are bullying. Protect your inner space. Take care of your inner life. Step away from social media when overwhelmed. Spend time reading in nature or in quiet reflection. Talk to trusted friends. Creativity needs silence to heal. Do not take negativity as your identity. Cruel words often reflect the pain or insecurity of others. They do not define who you are. Build a positive community. Stay connected with readers and colleagues who respect literature. A healthy community can encourage, protect truth, and spread kindness. Speak up when necessary. If attacks cause serious misunderstanding, respond calmly. Focus on truth, not revenge. What should young people know about online bullying? Young people are the most vulnerable online, and they should remember, do not share personal information carelessly. Do not join in mocking or spreading rumors. Tell a trusted adult if they feel unsafe. Respect others online as in real life. One kind comment can change someone's day, as you know. How can we keep children safe online? Adults can talk openly with the children about their online experiences, teach kindness and respect, and encourage children to speak up when something hurts them. Be good role models in online communication. Digital safety is not only technical, it's also about characters and values. Stop online bullying begins with culture. A healthy online world is built when each person thinks before writing, respects differences, and refuses to spread harmful content. Protect the vulnerable. Literature, with its power of compassion,